What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid-fade on my little brother. We're also going to be doing a freestyle design on the left side. Once we finish balding out with our gold FX, we're going to be moving on to our 2 guard all the way open. With this guard, we're going to be debulking. Using our no guard all the way open, we're going to be creating our second guideline. Having the lever halfway and close will help you remove that first guideline you made with your gold FX. Now that we're moving on to our third guideline, we're going to be using the 1 guard all the way open. After you're done softening the line with the 1 guard closed and 1 guard halfway, you want to move on to your half guard all the way open. Right here, I'm using the raking technique to remove some dark spots I see. Just to clarify on what the raking technique is, that's when you tilt your clipper to at a 90-degree angle instead of keeping the blade flat. We're going to be using the 2 guard all the way open to create our 4th guideline. And to remove this 4th guideline, we're going to be using the 1.5 guard all the way open. I always go back to my 1 guard all the way open after using the 1.5 guard. We're going to be using the clipper over comb method to blend the bulk into the sides. As you can see, when I go vertically, I'm blending. When I go horizontally, I'm removing bulk. Now we're going back to our 2 guard all the way open, our 3 guard all the way open, and our 1 guard all the way open, just to make sure we get all these finishing details and lines I see. Moving on to the back side, we're going to start off by removing the bulk with our 2 guard all the way open. Once we're finished removing the bulk with our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to move on to our no guard all the way open to create our first guideline. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Moving on to our 1.5 guard all the way open, we're going to be connecting the fade and removing any dark spots I see. Before I use the clipper over comb method, I always like to damp the hair just a little bit. We're going to be moving on to the top and saturating the whole head. Stay tuned, the graphics is coming up. Okay, so now we're moving on to the C cup area. We're gonna start by removing a little bit of bulk and then lining it up with our gold FX. Using my thinning shears, I gotta remove a little bit of bulk I see. Okay, so now this is the fun part. We're gonna be doing a freestyle design. To be honest, when I first started, I didn't know what the heck I was gonna do. So I just started with a line here and a line there and just kept going. Now that we're done with the trimmer, we're gonna be moving on to the razor blade.